Zhuidong Group Company Limited is one modern large-scale enterprise located in Dezhou City, Shandong Province, integrating design, production, sales, and installation of central air conditioning products. The registered capital of the group is 155.5 million RMB, covering an area of 300,000 square meters and construction area of 180,000 square meters. The number of employees is more than 1,000. There are 25 product engineers and 38 technicians for design or service. Zhuidong adheres to the modern enterprise business philosophy and management mode. Innovation, professionalism, quality, integrity. Has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification. Established a complete quality system. Zhuidong has obtained various high-end industry certifications, such as China Energy Conservation Product Certification, China National Compulsory Product Certification, 3C Certification, CRAA Product Certification, and CE Certification. Our air conditioning and refrigeration systems have already been exported to more than 60 countries, competing with many global famous brands all over the world. Besides, our sales and service networks have been established in Southeast Asia, Central Asia, Africa, Australia, and South America, aiming at realizing the globalization of production, sales, and supplier networks. We have earned customers' trust and respect by representing state-of-the-art technology, strict quality control, and customer service that responds smartly and attentively to customers' every need. Zhuidong sincerely hopes to join hands with customers at home and abroad to create greater brilliance.